variables and equations. Let us learn what a variable is. A variable is any letter which represents an unknown quantity. For example, 2x, 4a, 6z, 7q, 5b, 3y, etc. An algebraic expression consisting of variables, constants and mathematical operators such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Uses of variables. If the length of the side of a square is denoted by variable s, then the perimeter of a square is equal to 4s. If L is the length and B is the breadth of rectangle, then perimeter of rectangle will be 2 multiplied by L plus B. If the lengths of sides of a triangle are denoted by x, y and z respectively, then the perimeter of the triangle is equal to x plus y plus z. Let's learn some properties of variables. Commutative property of addition. If A and B represent any two numbers, then A plus B is equal to B plus A. Commutative property of multiplication. If A and B represent any two numbers, then A multiplied by B is equal to B multiplied by A. Associative property of addition. If A, B and C represent any three numbers, then A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Associative property of multiplication. If A, B and C represent any three numbers, then A multiplied by B multiplied by C is equal to A multiplied by B multiplied by C. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. If A, B and C represent any three numbers, then A multiplied by B plus C is equal to A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. Equations. A statement of equality which involves one or more variables is called an equation. Consider the statement. A number x increased by 7 is 15. We can write it as x plus 7 is equal to 15. The value for which the equation is satisfied is the solution of the equation. For example, the equation n upon 3 is equal to 6 is satisfied for n is equal to 24. An equation can contain numbers and variables. For example, a minus 2 is equal to 30. An equation is said to be algebraic equation if it consists of a variable. For example, 2x is equal to 100. A single variable equation will have a unique solution. For example, 15n is equal to 225. An equation that does not have any variable is called a numerical or an arithmetic equation.